Okay guys, so today we're going to look at converting temperatures between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So you've probably heard each of these words before, Celsius and Fahrenheit. They're just different units that we use to measure temperature. So there's two simple equations that we use to convert between Fahrenheit and Celsius, and then Celsius and Fahrenheit. So if we look at the first one, if we have degrees Celsius and we want degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to use this equation. If we have degrees Fahrenheit and we want degrees Celsius, we're going to use the second equation. So if we want to convert 60 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, we're using this equation here. We have degrees Fahrenheit and we're looking for degrees Celsius. So I'm plugging this equation in. C equals 5/9 times F minus 32. And before we start here, let's just do a little bit of an estimate. 5/9 is really close to 1/2. 32 is really close to 30. So if we have 60 degrees, we can do 60 minus 30. That gives us 30 times 1/2 gives us about 15 degrees Celsius. Let's see how close we are when we actually do the math. So we're plugging this in. We have 5 divided by 9 multiplied by 60 minus 32. And because of BEDMAS here, we know we have to do our brackets before we can do anything else. So we have 5/9 multiplied by 60 minus 32, which is 28. And we plug that into our calculator. 5 divided by 9 is 0.5 repeating, multiplied by 28 gives me 15.555 forever. So if I round that, I have 15.6 degrees Celsius. So 60 degrees Fahrenheit is the same thing as 15.6 degrees Celsius. In example 2, we're converting from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. So we have 70 degrees Celsius and we're converting to degrees Fahrenheit, which means we need this equation here. So F equals 9/5 times our degrees in Celsius plus 32. So let's do a little estimate here. 9/5 is really close to 2. 2 times our degrees Celsius, so 2 times 70 gives me 140, plus 32 gives me 172 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see how close we are there. So I have 9/5 multiplied by 70 plus 32. Plugging that into our calculator, I have 9 divided by 5, which gives me 1.8 times 70 equals 126. So 1.8 times 70 plus 32. And 1.8 times 70 is 126 plus 32, which gives me 158 degrees Fahrenheit. So pretty close to our estimate, but not quite there. Estimate was a little bit over there. So for homework, I guess in class today, I'd like you to work on numbers 3, 4, and 6, on pages 41 to 42 on your textbook.